think me that get more juice than this. You see how me extra say me I come with big bowl. Our rich beetroot with ginger and carrot. Welcome YouTube family and welcome back to another video in our punch and natural juice series. So today guys we're going to do something different from the title. Yes, Miss Sister wanna come for that. So here I have a new juicer. I always wanted one of these guys. So today I'm going to make beetroot and carrot with ginger and I'm going to be using the juicer. So no more strainer and all of that, no more blender. We are going to use the bad boy right here. So to start I have here the ginger, the carrot and the beetroot. I already washed the ginger, so I use a Scotch Brite or whatever you want to call it, and I wash off the ginger. If you want you can go ahead and peel the ginger, but I don't want to do that. This is what I prefer. So I joint them, so I break them apart and I wash them off with the Scotch Brite. I did the same for the carrot as well. Use the Scotch Brite and wash them off. Me now waste me carrot as strip. No, me not do that. If you want to do that guys, you can go ahead and do that. For the beetroot, I'm going to go ahead and peel them. So you know, using the juicer you get everything from the fruit, right? And you can also chill the drink after juicing and just drink it like that without adding any sugar, right? Less sugar, it is better for you guys. If you don't have to use the sugar in your drink, you don't have to. You can just cool it, put in the refrigerator and just drink it like that. So when the juice is more concentrated, it is better for you, because here we are not going to add any water. We're going to juice the vegetables as is, right? Because these are all vegetables that we're using. So guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment below and let me know if you enjoy videos like this. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy the video, and if you want more videos like this, just comment down below and tell us more video like this. If you don't want to see more punch videos, more natural juice videos, or if you don't want to see authentic Jamaican meals, just comment and let me know what you want to see guys, right? So if you want to guys, you can go ahead and use gloves to peel the beetroot because it stains the finger, but I don't have any problem doing this though. But if you want to, you can go ahead and use gloves. It will also stain the countertop, so if you want to, you can lay some paper towel or something, a piece of cloth or something on the counter if you don't want it to stain your counter. Finish peeling the beetroot. Everything is peeled and washed. Okay guys, so we're gonna get this show on the road. Alright guys, so the juicer comes with this little jug thing and it just go right here, right? So it just go right here to collect the juice. Yeah, it just go right there so to collect the juice, but this can't hold nothing guys. So what me I gonna do, I'm gonna use that, right? So this is how it stay. So when the drinks come out, when the juice come out, just go all the way down there and that's how it goes, right? First time using a juicer guys, I went ahead and I read the instruction and all of that already, so it's just time to do the do. So we have low, we have off, we have high. Wanna see it powerful guys? Alright, so we are gonna just drop in one and we're gonna see what I want. So first we're gonna start off with the beetroot. We're going to go ahead and add the ginger, and then we add the carrot, right? So that's how I want to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and add. So I'm going to power it up, put it on low, and I'm going to add this. See that, guys? So we created a mess. So what happened, guys? It now go really go that close to the juicer. So what me I gonna do now is I'm going to use this small container, pull it up, and then I'm going to pour it into the bowl. That make more sense, don't? Alright. Oh no, watch nothing. This is mine and we can just clean that up. What is that going good so far? Here we go again. Well, guys, I think we don't get more juice than this. You see how me extra say me I come with big bowl when me never really need it, because this is basically what we get. So yeah, that's it. This is what we get from the juice. Yep. And the beetroot with ginger. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you do, give the video a thumbs up. Look how it's very rich, guys. This juice is rich like what? Look at it. Very rich. So I'm going to pour myself a glass. Our rich beetroot with ginger and carrot. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below, let us see if you enjoy the video, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Drink to long life, drink to more energy, and I hope you enjoy, guys. You can go ahead and throw some water in there, because it, as you can see, it's very rich, because you know we love stretchy juice. We love to get more out of with fruits and vegetables when we make juice, don't? Right. So you can go ahead and add some water to it and stretch it, and you can also go ahead and sweeten, or you can add your condensed milk and whatever to make yourself some beetroot punch. And this is the trash after everything was grind, right, guys? So moving forward, we're gonna use the juicer for make ourselves some nice drinks, and we know it work next time. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.